So here are the 5 types of people who should not be trading at all. Well, the question that you should be asking is, should you be trading?
So because we can just download an app onto our phones and just get to trading by throwing some money, just a little bit of money into that app, everyone wants to trade now. Everyone and their mother heard about GameStop and is FOMOing into trading and getting wrecked. Trading is actually an intense sport, and I'd argue that it's a lot harder than the NBA, NFL, and a lot of these other professional sports that we see on TV. So getting into trading and just downloading Robinhood onto your app and trying to trade options specifically is as if you were just in the crowd watching LeBron James play, and then you jump onto the court in the middle of an NBA game and challenge him and his team to a one-on-one or a 1v5. That's my analogy for you getting into stocks or options. So since there's such a low barrier to entry, there's a ton of people who are trying to get in and who are asking about how to get started trading. Well, the question that you should be asking is, should you be trading? So here are the 5 types of people who should not be trading at all. Number 1, you have no basic grasp on mathematics. So trading involves a ton of mathematics, from 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, basic addition, subtraction, and then it gets a little bit more complicated once you're looking at different algorithms, averages, means, things of that nature. So if you don't have a basic grasp on mathematics, you're cooked. Number 2, this type of person is the person who has bad credit. So if you have bad credit, then you're probably not a great money manager. And a lot of people really don't talk about this. There's people who just don't know how to handle money and can't even balance their balance sheets or look at their credit and finance different things, and they're trying to finance a trading career. You're cooked. Again, you're going up against the biggest hedge funds, the largest institutions, and some of the most money-hungry people that you will ever see in your life. And you can't balance your finances, and you don't have good credit. You're cooked. Number 3, this is the person who is only in it for the money. So they're only in it to make $1 million bajillion. Every day they're extremely desperate to make that $1 million bajillion, and you're always FOMOing into trades. If this is you, you're cooked. There's not really much else to say but that you're cooked. So you're always in there just extremely desperate. And whenever you're desperate for something in life, and this is just a spiritual law of success, whenever you're desperate for something and you're chasing it, it's going to be running away because it has to obey the fact that you are chasing. So if you're chasing, that means that it is running. But when you're trading, it has to be something that you just enjoy, something that you're enjoying and you're letting the trades come to you. Don't be FOMOing into trades. The 4th type of person who should not be trading is someone who is not patient at all. So if you're someone who wanted to make $1 million bajillion, or you wanted a very high paying career without taking the time going to school or learning a trade or learning a craft, trading is not for you. Trading takes a ton of time in the markets and reviewing the chart, as well as fundamental and historical data, in order to get a grasp on what's going to be coming next. It's almost like getting a doctorate degree. Once you put in a ton of time, then you'll be a master of the sport. So if you're not willing to put in the time and you just want instant gratification, trading is not for you. You're cooked. Last but not least, the final person who should not be trading is someone who does not set goals, especially SMART goals. So SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and there's a timetable to it. So if you don't have any goals as a trader except to make $1 million bajillion today, you're cooked. You want to set a timetable of hitting a certain percentage or a certain dollar amount, or just adding a little bit to your account every week or every month. And you want to make it a real goal until you can start to size into different trades or size into different investments. And then overall, in the long term, from compound interest and compound investing, you'll see that there is a dramatic increase in your account. So if any of these styles of people or any of these people are you probably shouldn't be trading. Take some time off, or maybe rethink the career path that you want to do, and take a little bit more time learning about the different paths that you can take. So I hope this helps. I hope you're not cooked. And I hope you have a great day.
Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance,